Honorable members, honorable water. It is not Aiwa Mara. John 5B, Okwang Road. It is not there.
And two, Mr. Sia, you're talking of LPC Road. 3 days ago, Chairperson was in the City Council to make it very clear that the road is under emergency for Lira City Council. And there are 3 roads that will work on this coming week. And again, you're putting budget to that, Mr. Chair.
I am not the Speaker of Lira City Council. I'm the Speaker of Lira City East. I will put the budget for my area. Okay?
No, but
if we want to have the budget for now, allow and have my road. If you don't allow, I will adjourn this council. Because I'll be doing nothing here. So any person with any contrary opinion to what I'm saying, kindly keep it for yourself.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chair, I want to go with you over that road that goes to LPC. That your 2 weeks ago, one of the street lights was buried there, and some people came and removed the body. Mr. Chairman, I want to say something. I want to thank you so much for guiding this council. Mr. Chairman, you see this council as moving, bringing roads. This is the same thing which happened the previous council, the previous financial year. Mr. Chairman, some people might think I'm fighting them, but I want to speak the truth here as a member of this council. There is something I want to know, and some of these councillors might be wanting to know also the same thing. How many roads for the last 3 financial years? How many roads were worked on? And there is this money called unconditional fund. No condition attached. What is the use of that money? In fact, honorable councillors, I want to tell you this. We are not serious and we don't know why we are here. Do we have anything to show to our electorates this coming elections? And are you people, I want to ask you, are you going to pick forms? What will you tell your electorates? We don't have roads in our wards. And you find that people are saying, we have work on roads, we have work on roads. Which roads? Can you tell us today the number of roads you people have worked on, the number of bridges you have worked on, so that when we are fixing other roads, we don't want to repeat other roads which they have worked on. Another thing, Mr. Chairman, I have stayed in council for 4 terms. This is my 4th terms. In this council, a road being worked on in my area, I'm not informed. Is that work really? Who are the people to monitor? I mean, that will be anymore. One long year, why we? We are wasting our time. Financially, I'm telling you this, we are not serious. When it comes to roads, what when it, going on, where is the money going? Who are the people getting this money? Because we
Your concern is noted. Your concern is noted. Let the chairperson respond. Let the chairperson respond. Chair, you respond.
Tell us the name of road which you work on.
Yes, you tell us the roads which you worked on.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Mr. Chair, members,
Members, let's have fire. Let's have fire. But we have the chairperson works and he's on the floor.
I think the town flag is not around. I wanted people to be attentive with this response. You're well aware that I got office on the way. So it means some other work has been done. Not under my supervision. I wanted to be clear. But I think the area councillor can testify on that one. Who's clearing and the other thing is ongoing. And then I have a number B7 to Lira City. The road is ongoing. The work is ongoing. And lastly, I have a number B7 to a number N center. That is under the deck. Then for local revenue, the road that I have here is on Wetangwe to Bohe. And also I have Pangalayu Market and I have Popular to Adwina. Members, I thought I was still responding. If you have other questions, then you give it out.
Honorable Lucas.
What I have is...
Honorable Lucas. We're going to go with them now. You can't do that all. Aku aja kira kisah. Jadi dok mana mau dok balik di dok ko. Kaji dok kue, kue jangan kan ba rong tel. Dok ini di mata pe provoking.
Thank you. So members, I wanted to give this one to all honorable members. I come into office and I got information telling us that there are some road which was left on the way. And I think that is one of the roads honorable doctors is complaining on. But at level, we are now pushing for that. It is not now my responsibility.
Because we don't want duplication. You may find the names of those roads are appearing here in the new budget.
Mr. Chair and members, I am one of those who are very disappointed. Let me begin like that. Because of road equipment that the city is not having, that delayed most of our work. Let me tell you, testify today that it is now 2 times that our road equipment were picked from the site. The road equipment were doing our work, but twice it was picked from the site and taken to another site. I want to testify this. When we really started doing work in a normal way, a directive came, not we paid already money. A directive came from government when the minister that the grid have been paid and taken to a jury. I am only the mayor, I am not the minister. The grid was taken to a jury to do the work there, and our work was there. Second time again, our machine was taken to a site that I am not aware. Recently again, we had to transport another equipment that we already paid up from Katakwi to bring it to the resident division, still under our expertise. So I am very disappointed, but our work, I want to assure you, we are ready that we are going to work on all this road. Mention that your Center 3 road is almost complete now. Udorobi, they are now working on the bridge and the work is almost done. Tejambula, the work is ongoing. Ongisha, except Ongisha Primary, we are going to work on it. After Akia, that is a model, we shall move to Ongisha. Then we shall move this side, cross this side of Borbor and Bogana. Because now we want to bring machine from this side, bring it where the roads are closer.
Members, please sit down when your colleague is talking. I've seen you all. I've seen you all. We are coming to a permanent solution of this. Let the TC first talk and then I will pick you up.